for you guys, this is a lazy kind of job, but it's not. It's not easy for people to talk or do entertain people, and sometimes even how much as that's the difference of a vlogger. That's the difference of a vlogger and a live streamer. Live streamer, we only got paid not because of the audience, number of audience or number of views. Live streamer, we only got paid because of the gifts. That's why I said, no, no matter how, this is from the 3 years of doing live stream. It's not the matter of content. Sometimes in Bigo, it's a matter of how you feel towards the host, just like Jones. Then and nowadays it's like recently there are some people here, they only do Bigo is a form of entertainment for majority, for a lot of people, especially men. And the way they got entertained, they have different intention, and I cannot take that away from them. Sometimes, no matter how much you interact with audience, if they don't have money to spend, they won't spend. That's the thing there. Because there are some people, they thought that if we got audience there, if we got 1,000 audience there, if they keep on tapping the screen, we will get paid. But it's not how. Thank you. It's not how. That is not how. How I wish that's how. So I will just keep on talking here, keep on dancing here. But it's not. That's why sometimes we stop dancing. We just don't entertain because it's not worth it. That is how. That's the difference of a vlogger and a host, a live streamer. Because a vlogger, if they post their videos, they got paid through the number of audience watch their videos. Unlike with the live